Okay, here we go. I've got this set up here. I've got an old HP Z220 tower desktop. It's currently got an NVIDIA Quadro 410 card. I have these 3 monitors. This video card will support 2 monitors. This one, the motherboard has video. This one was in there, but with the NVIDIA driver, this is Linux Mint 21.1. Anyway, I had not played around with X settings or tried to do anything fancy. I just know that this monitor, when you boot up, you can get a console on this, but I really only get my GUI on these other 2 monitors. I want to go all 3. So, I had the bright idea to order an NVIDIA NVS 510, which I have right here. And I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to put it in this this tower, and we're going to see what happens. So, wish me luck. This is how it came from Amazon Postal Service. It came with these. It's got mini DisplayPort, so these are like mini DisplayPort to DisplayPort adapters. But rather than going that route, where did I put it? Oh. I bought mini DisplayPort to HDMI cables. So we'll get to see if this works. But I just didn't want a lot of extra adapters and stuff, so I'm going to try to go direct with those. Here's the card. Sealed in here. And there again, I'm not a gamer. This is business use laptop. I do video editing, and you know this works okay. I use Kdenlive and Linux Mint for all my video editing. You know, I'm definitely not pro. I'm not monetized. I'm not sponsored. I'm just a rookie guy who likes playing around with YouTube and wants something functional to get the job done. So most of this is used for business use. I log into my company, get the job done. It's not gaming or anything like that. So we're going to see what this thing does. So here we go. There we go. Here's inside the box. Tell you what, the card looks very similar to what's in there. I wonder how these things open. New card. Very similar, exact same form factor. Everything else looks quite a bit different. So. Old Z220. It might be 10 years old. I have no idea. It's one that it belongs to my company. It was at my office. Some important person had it years and years ago and was obsolete for them. Hey, it's perfect for me. And of course, it had like Windows 7 on it or something. So I put Linux. I'm a Linux guy anyway. For many, many years. First, I did Unix systems back in the 80s, and then in the early 90s, or say mid 90s, I'd heard about this Linux stuff, and I downloaded like 14 diskettes of Slackware, put it on a 386 SX or whatever it was, some really underpowered thing. Thought, oh, this is really cool. You know, this is a real Unix. I've been working with Unix, AT&T Unix on like NCR towers and SCO, Xenix, and Unix boxes. I've been doing that for years, and I started an ISP. When I did that, that was in 1996, January 1996. I didn't, this Linux stuff, I was using it pretty heavily by then at home, but I just didn't trust, thinking, man, I'm going to risk my entire reputation. So I got BSDI, which was a commercial, it wasn't like OpenBSD or FreeBSD, it was called BSDI, it was a commercial Unix distribution that you paid for. So I ordered 2 servers identical, and put BSDI on one, put like Red Hat 1.01 or something like that on the other one, 0.99 kernel, and set them up identically, and they ran identically, and within a couple of years I probably had 8 or 10 all Linux, the whole operation ran on Linux, no more BSDI. Okay. Well, got something here. NVIDIA NVS 510 card, Linux Mint 21, out of the box, plug and play. I mean, I had to go into the, I'd already had a previous NVIDIA card, so that driver was already there. Not sure what happened. If I do a clean install, probably be fine. I did have to go to the desktop settings and tweak a few things just to get my menus back, and of course I didn't remember how to do that until I went in here and tried it. But I think we're good. Rendering's finished. That went pretty quick. It was a short little video. This is a basically one minute video. This is a Xeon type processor, so it's kind of a server processor. This is like a power back in the day when this thing was created. I don't know, probably 2012 or something. That was a super duper thing with that Quadro card. But I think that will wrap it up. Thanks for watching.